Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, a disability law firm that practices in Florida and Georgia and things like that. A lot of you guys know who I am. I've done more videos than any other disability attorney out there. In fact, probably of all the disability attorneys out there, I've done more videos than all of them combined. With that said, let's go ahead and begin on question 24. Now, okay, let me just preface this one a little bit so you understand what's going on here. 24 goes into element 5 of the 5-step sequential process, which is the cleaver element. Imagine a giant knife, The Witcher, Star Wars lightsaber, cutting off the hands of the claimant. This is the cleaver element. This is the one that kills most claims. Let's have fun with it. 24. I understand your past work would be tough to do. This is what the ALJ would be saying. But what about a Walmart greeter job? All right, that's the basic standard. What about a Walmart greeter job? Right? Walmart greeter job. All right, let's go ahead and go into that. All right. What they're talking about is a new job that you haven't already done. If it were a job you'd already done, it would be element 4. Now it's a new job that you haven't done, which is element 5. And it's like the most simple job out there, right? It's basically a job where you could potentially have a sit-stand option. Most of the time you're going to be standing for 6 out of 8 hours, and then of course you'll be able to have breaks and probably some sitting in there. But remember, this job isn't as easy as people originally think it is, because you have to know where products are, you have to know where categories of products are, you have to know where sections of things are, you have to know where, you know, accessories of crap is, you have to know all this stuff, right? Along with while being nice, while standing, and putting up with Walmart people as they're coming in. And if we were to be truthfully honest with ourselves about Walmart patrons, you would probably say that not all of them are friendly or of the kind of genuine tender kindness that you would expect of individuals going into a Prada or a whatever store, Mont Blanc store, okay? So let's go through that. I understand your past work would be tough to do, but what about the Walmart greeter job? Remember, when you hear this, you have to explain why you can't do work in the national economy if you truly can't do it. So what do I mean by this? Okay, so first thing you're going to think about is, okay, well, first of all, I can't stand for 6 out of 8 hours, right? You're going to get my breaks and things like that, but I can't stand for more than half an hour. So you're going to have to state that and state where the pain is and why you have that. Okay, the next thing you have to do is the emotional connection of having to deal with that many people, right? Having to be nice, fake nice, if you will, to all those genuine, wonderful, tender, kind people. Then thereafter, you have to go into, I can't remember where anything is. I can't remember where things are in my own kitchen. How am I going to remember where a store with all those items is, you know? So that sounds like it might be sporting goods. Well, where the heck is sporting goods? So being prepared to explain why you couldn't do your jobs, the past ones you had, element 4, is good, but it's not good enough. You have to also, we're meeting the cleaver now, explain why you couldn't do element 5 jobs, which are like any job out there. Could be blanching almonds, the favorite of the VEs. And the VEs need to get a little more creative, because there are a lot of jobs out there that they could choose, but they just don't, because they go by the same thing over and over, and it's just easy for them. Putting price tags on items, right? That's a classic one. Having to organize items, that's a classic one. Having to do circuit board operations, which to me would require more than SVP 1 or 2 kind of skilled-oriented or unskilled-oriented work. But lo and behold, you know, you spit on it, you shine it, you send it down the line, apparently. You know, nobody's sitting there, not welding, but putting, soldering it pieces together, because that would be a higher level. All right, so what are we looking at here? You need to go ahead and understand what other types of jobs are out there that they could potentially say that you could do that are super simple jobs. For example, the Walmart greeter, the almond blancher, the basic, simple, yada yada jobs. You have to be able to explain why you can't do those. The average claimant, when they hear that, they'll go, I could probably do that. Boom, instant denial. You just failed element 5. You could probably do it. You just admitted on the record, in a federal record, that's going to live for the rest of the time. Good job. I hope you have an attorney there to cross-examine you. I hope you have a good attorney, not one of these big box firm ones where you meet them there for the first day for the first time, and that's the first time you ever talk to them, and you see the glimmer in their eyes and you realize they have no idea what's going on with your claim. It's amazing and so much fun. Oh my God, I'm worried. Yeah, one of those situations. All right. With that said, we're going to be going to question 25 of the 50. That'll post at the halfway mark. 50 top ALJ trick questions. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're a Florida, Georgia-based disability law firm. We mostly do claims in Florida, though. But now we're doing a bunch in Georgia. I hope all's well. I'll catch you a little bit later. And also, 8 p.m. on the 9th of April, a Thursday, I will be, and every Thursday thereafter, available for you to call me on this phone at at 8 p.m. time, and I'll run questions with you and beat you up as if you were in a hearing. So you don't have to be my client. You do have to answer the phone with a fake name. You can be James Bond, you can be Belly Dancer, you can be whatever, Miss Dancer, Miss Belly Dancer. And basically the bottom line is you really need to listen to the disclaimer I'm giving you and give a fake name, because I don't want you or the the Social Security Administration keying into who your name is by doing a Google search. All right, we're going to be going into question 25 now, and we'll catch up from there. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.